Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you control the wallet that created the collection and that you can sign transactions. Once done, make sure you have ETH for gas because some backend actions require on-chain confirmation. Now open Opensea, navigate to your profile, select Collections, and click the specific collection you intend to remove. This gets you into the collection dashboard where management tools live. You need to be on that page before proceeding to the next set of actions. You now enter settings and check for active listings, royalties, and linked contracts. First, delist any active sales and cancel offers. This frees items from marketplace constraints. Next, transfer any NFTs you want to keep to another wallet or burn them if you intend permanent removal. You must handle each token individually. Make sure royalties or third-party contracts aren't preventing changes. Once each token is cleared and no listings remain, you're ready to proceed to delete the collection itself if the UI allows. You finish by selecting the delete or hide option in settings and carefully reading the confirmation prompts. You will need to sign a wallet transaction to confirm the action. Once signed, check your profile to verify the collection is removed or hidden. If the delete fails, make sure you revoked marketplace approvals, cleared browser cache, and removed any contract allowances that block changes. If problems persist, try another wallet or contact Opensea support with transaction ID and clear screenshots for fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.